Hello?
Little candy.
Like big candy.
So we just had pizza and I had pasta.
Oh no, that was the other thing she was doing.
Chach, don't you dare. That's
walking into
Daddy, he's gonna drop my pizza.
Oh yeah, she knows better. When she's out with me, she doesn't.
No, and then she tells me, no, it's vlogging. Nico, she's weird. She was telling me that she wasn't weird. She goes, because my dad, and she's going like this. Because my dad thinks that I'm weird, and she's going like this.
Her camera's that big. It's just like this.
She was making me feel so uncomfortable.
She makes me uncomfortable while she's sleeping, so I can't imagine how good it is.
She's vlogging, look.
Yeah, I'm vlogging right now.
Look. Is that weird? That's weird.
Much Breaking Bad?
No. Oh, Sin. It was a Sin. I've heard of that though, and I heard it's good.
Yeah.
What is that one about?
Meth.
It's about what you should do in your life.
Oh yeah, Breaking Bad.